Hello and welcome to my channel. Hello and welcome to my channel. So here you can see guys this site I have created in just 5 minutes. Okay, so you can create any site within 30 minutes even you have a large data and large picture. But the simple website like this you can create within just 5 minutes. Okay, so there is a AI tool that is Rocket.new. If you log into this you will be stunned by the feature this have. Okay, so if I come here under my project I can see the lots of project I have tried with. So this is the one I tried for the restaurant, and this is home page, this is menu, and you can scroll down here, this is reservation page, this is gallery. You see, if you click you will also see the details like this. Share features you can also go for. Okay, so there are lots of stuff you can do very easily. So ideally it should not take at less than a week if you create from the phrase or scratch, but this will create it for you in 5 minutes. Okay, so let me come to the affiliate marketing. If I come to see this one, so there are some already the user have used and now they have uh, marked that as a public. Okay, so this one I have downloaded from the public one, and you see here it is generating code for me, and you can very easily download that code and even for free. So this will give you the 1.2 million token. 2 million token basically I have. This amount is still pending, and even for the paid you can see like this, but I don't think the paid one will be required. Okay, so you see here this is a complete site, and if you hit this one the full screen and you scroll down here, you see. Okay, so you see professional here. If you come to compare you'll also find. If you come to bonus, FAQs, and how to download this code, you just simply have to click here. If you come to this, you can also go to mobile view and you can check. Got it? So this is preview mode and this is the code mode. If you click on the code you have option here to download. If I click on this, the code will be downloaded. Okay, you see the downloaded now. Got it? So let me try a bit of hard one so that we'll have idea how what all you can create. So here the option you see the template. So you can choose from that is already built and you can save this one. So this is basically a 305k saving of your coin. So if you go for the course enrollment kind of thing, you will have to use this one. You just have to click on this and you can export this one for the free. So before exporting, you will also check you out all the feature it has. You can see the single page design optimized for conversions, clean, modern, authentic with clear visual hierarchy, mobile responsive layout. Okay, so these are the section you can also check. You can check here always in a full screen mode. So this is basically the site is what it says. This is correct. So even you click on pricing, this is a single page website you can create for a client, and this one very easily you can download the code for this. If I go back to the normal screen mode I can switch to code and I can download the code. Okay, so let me try downloading this one. After downloading at your local how it look like. So this is basically the zip one. If I unzip this one, yeah, so this is the one. Back here and index. Okay, so this is what I have after the export. Got it? So you see here how quickly we'll be able to create a single page site. Got it? And even you have to copy any site idea you can type here. Okay, so let me try. I have to ask here. Give me Flipkart. Okay, so give me copy of clone of Flipkart type for you. So you can give command like this. Got it? And if you press enter here, it will start creating for you.